Solve the equation on the interval 0 to 2 pi. So I've got 2 cos x equals the negative root 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to use inverse trig functions to make this happen. In order to make that happen, I've got to get rid of that 2, so let's divide everything by 2, divide everything by 2. That leaves us with cos x equals negative root 2 over 2. In order to get rid of cosine, to get x all by itself, we're going to inverse cosine both sides, inverse cosine both sides, like so. That allows you to cross out, leaving you with just x. Now, what the inverse cosine is asking you to do is it's saying, what angle value will I get with an x value of negative root 2 over 2? Okay, well, let's think unit circle thoughts, unit circle thoughts, unit circle thoughts. I need, because cosine is an x, I need an x value of negative root 2 over 2. Cosine is negative in quadrant 2 and in quadrant 3. The x value of negative root 2 over 2 appears on the middle dot for quadrant 2 and the middle dot for quadrant 3. The middle dot for quadrant 2 is going to be the angle 3 pi over 4. The middle dot for quadrant 3 is going to be the angle 5 pi over 4. So my full solution is going to be C, x equals 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4.